Well, it's Thursday morning. Well, afternoon now, but here's the snow we got. Yesterday I was out here filming this when the grandkids were playing in it. Just let you see how much we got. Got quite a little bit here. I started cleaning out the driveway. You can see the depth here. Quite a little bit. Quite a little bit of snow. See it up on the roof. Back here. You can see on that table outside there the depth of it. On this nice pine tree here, isn't that pretty? It's cold out here today. Well, that's Michigan. Once you get a snowstorm that comes in like this, boy, the air behind it is real cold, real frigid. But I think they said we had a little over 9.5 inches of snow yesterday, up till midnight. So pretty scene. Cold, just something good for it, and you can stand it. See you later.